how to unblock Netflix with the VPN. Our latest testing show that VPNs are getting the upper hand in their cat and mouse struggle against Netflix. We tell you which VPNs do the best at unblocking Netflix around the world. If you are trying to view the latest Netflix show while traveling overseas or you want to watch a show Netflix only provides on the other side of the global, you are in for a touch time, but with a VPN service and a little, you should be able to see most of what you want to watch where you are. It is easy to assume the video streaming service we know so well are the same everywhere on earth, but that's not true. What's available on a streaming service can vary wildly from country to country. That's because streaming service like Netflix make agreement with other media companies to supply movies and TV in specific markets. A good example, the show is Rick's Marty. The show used to be available on Netflix in the US, but now you need a or Max account to follow the of the twisted and is helpless. However, our friends in Australia and several other countries can still enjoy their Netflix. That might feel like a raw deal for us. Netflix subscribe, they are paying for a subscription, so should they get all the video content Netflix provides? That's not the case. You are only entitled to the shows in the country where you credit your account. To original registration for content, Netflix tries to block VPN use. That's a bit unfair for user who trying to snack around digital boards. In fact, Netflix will sometimes block user even when they are connected to VPN service within their country of original. In writing this article, we considered two possible scenario. In the first case, you are traveling overseas and cannot watch a show you begin watching on Netflix in your home country. That's a real problem, but we imagine many readers are perhaps more interested in the second case, accessing Netflix content unavailable in their home countries. There is a question of Earth using a VPN to watch Netflix or any other streaming service. You are not eligible to see. Is it not quite the same as downloading copyrighted content without paying for it? After all you are paying for Netflix regardless of how you feel about it. However, watching content that unavailable in your home region still break the rules even when it is not available in your country at any price. When what you want to watch is on Netflix but available from another service in the US, you may want to think seriously about voting with your wallet to support the content you enjoy. The agreement is that if you want to see more seasons of show you like, you need to watch them on the network that pay the creator, in the hope that your view- viewership will help convince them to pay for more season.